Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are on page 177 of your student journal, and we are in a new unit. So our objective today I will solve two-step word problems. Period. Okay, so also it says that these are going to be addition and subtraction word problems. So those are the two operations we're going to be using. Okay, in our vocabulary today, they remind us what addition is, that we're going to be combining the add-ins to find their sum. Sum is the answer for an addition problem. Subtraction, we're going to be taking away one number or amount from another to find their difference. And then they remind us of some strategies you've learned in the past. You're welcome to use these strategies or use any strategies that work for you. That's the thing about word problems, is a lot of us attack them differently because our minds see it differently, and that's okay. There's not just one exact way to solve the word problem. What I do want you to realize is there's going to always be two steps though. So I'm going to be setting up my page to show those two steps. Now you might find your steps different than mine, and again, that's going to be okay. Okay, so our steps that they recommend we follow are, we're going to read and understand the problem. I usually try reading it twice. Then I'm going to plan the steps to solve it. So remember I'm going to have two, and then I'm going to actually write the equations and solve. And then I'm going to check it. A lot of times when I check it, I ask myself, does it make sense? Could that be a reasonable answer? Okay, so I'm going to get started. Here is my first problem. It says, Philip earned 472 tickets at the arcade last week. Okay, and when I read these, I always want to kind of picture it. I've seen tickets like at Chuck E. Cheese or some other sort of arcade. Okay, this week he earned 89 tickets. If he uses 70 tickets to buy a stuffed animal, how many tickets will he have left? Okay, and I always like to read it again. So Philip earned 472 tickets at the arcade last week. So he earned those. So if you earn something, you get it. This week he earned 89, so he got another 89. But then if he uses mean like that's taking away. So if he uses 70 to buy a stuffed animal, how many will he have left? Okay, so because I know it's a two-step word problem, one, I like to underline my numbers, but I know there's going to be two steps. So I'm going to divide my paper in half just for my two steps. So I think what I should do first is find out how many he had. So if he earned 472 last week, and then he earned 89 this week, I think I should find out how many he actually earned total. So I have 2 plus 9 is 11. So I put my 1 and carry my 1. 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1 is 16. And then I carry my 1. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. So he earned 561 tickets. Okay, but then it says now that he earned all those, he is going to use, that means he's going to have to give away 70 tickets. So that's takeaway. So I have 1, take away 0 is 1. 6 take away 7 I can't do, so I have to borrow. So this becomes a 4 and that becomes a 16 instead. So 16 take away 7 is 9. And 4 take away nothing is 4. So this is how many tickets he has left. 491. Okay, let's look at my next one. There were 431 building blocks. Okay, so that sounds like I have those. Bill used 230 to build a tunnel and some more to build a house. So used would be takeaway. There were 123 blocks left. How many blocks did Bill use to build the house? Okay, so this one's a little trickier. So it says there were 431 building blocks. Bill used 230 to build a tunnel. and then some more to build a house. We don't know what the some more is. There were 123 left. So how many blocks did Bill use to build the house? Okay, so here's my numbers. And it's a two-step problem. So I'm going to divide my paper in half right now. So I know first, if he had 431 blocks and he first used 230, that's going to be takeaway. So I have 1 takeaway 0 is 1, 3 takeaway 3 is 0, and 4 takeaway 2 is 2. Okay, so after he used the first 230, he had this left. And then he said he used some more. So he had this and used some more, and then this is what was left. So I would have to subtract again to find out what he used. So this is what he had left. This is what was left at the very end, and then this will tell me what he used in between. So 1 takeaway 3 I can't do. This one's a tricky one because when I come over here to borrow, I can't, so I have to come over here to borrow. So this becomes a 1, and then this becomes a 10. Now he can borrow from him. So the 1 borrows from the 10, and that becomes a 9, and the 1 becomes an 11. So 11 takeaway 3 is 8, 9 takeaway 2 is 7, and 1 takeaway nothing is nothing. 1 takeaway 1 is nothing. So he used 78 of the blocks. 78 of the blocks. When they said he used some more, that's what he used. Okay, we are on page 178, ladies and gentlemen. So let's try some together. Here is my first one. Julia needs 100 cupcakes for her birthday party. She has 45 chocolate cupcakes and 24 red velvet cupcakes. How many more cupcakes does she need? Okay, so let's read that one more time. So Julia needs 100 cupcakes for her birthday. So that's what she needs at the end. She has 45 chocolate cupcakes and 24 velvet cupcakes. How many more does she need? Okay, it's going to be a two-step problem, so let's cut our paper in half and let's think about what we could do first. I think what we could do first is find out how many cupcakes she has. So if she has 45 chocolate and she has 24 red velvet, let's add those and find out how many cupcakes she already has. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So she has 69 cupcakes. That's how many she has. But she needs 100. So we could subtract to find out how many more she needs to buy. So if she needs this, let's see how many more. Oh, and this is going to be a big one to borrow because I can't borrow from him, so I need to borrow from him. So this becomes a 0, and this becomes a 10. And then the 0 can borrow from the 10, and that becomes a 9. And this becomes a 10. So 10 take away 9 is 1. 9 take away 6 is 3. So she needs 31 more cupcakes, and then she'll have 100 total. She must be having quite a birthday party. Okay, let's look at our next one. Martina collected 432 stickers in January. In February, she was given 234 more stickers. Then she gave her best friend some stickers to put in her book. Martina now has 156 stickers. How many stickers did she give to her best friend? Okay, let's read it one more time. So, Martina collected 432 stickers in January. In February, she was given 234 more stickers. Then she gave her best friend some stickers to put in her book. Martina now has 156 stickers. How many stickers did she give to her best friend? Okay, well, if she collected 432 and then she was given 234, that would be, let's add how many she has. Let's find out how many she had total. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So she has 666 stickers. Okay, so So then it tells us that she gave some to her friend. We don't know how many she gave to her friend, but we know that she has 156 left. So that would be a subtraction problem. So this is how many she has. This is how many she has left, and then we'll find out how many she gave to her friend. So 6 take away 6 is 0, 6 take away 5 is 1, and 6 take away 1 is 5. So she gave her friend 510 stickers. Wow, she's a really nice friend. She gave a lot away. So remember, when you go to attack these, you might have thought of a different way to do them, but remember, it's going to be a 2-step. So I want you to divide your papers in half for your 2 steps when you go to do the next pages on your own. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.